This is day 4 of exhaust manifold.
Roll out here. Tell me what's happening.
So here's what we're doing. Okay. We've got all but 2 studs tightened down and in the engine block as far as they need to be. So I'm gonna finish the last 2 studs and then we're gonna put this manifold right here back on. And then we're gonna put this manifold here on the downpipe, and then we're gonna use some leverage and we're gonna pop the whole thing into place.
Alright, Hanson, tell him what just happened.
We got both the manifolds on the engine block and both the manifolds on the downpipes. So we've got them all of the nuts tightened down on the manifold, okay? So they're holding it on there pretty good, but we want to make sure we torque them down properly. Right this second, I am finishing up tightening on these bolts.
Finally!
Because someone I love broke my torque wrench.
We replaced the fuel pump.
Hey guys, so guess what? Tell them!
I'm gonna go for a test drive again.
Good luck!
Action. We're done with the exhaust manifold, finally. We've got it back on, it's tightened on. The car is running again, we fixed the fuel system again, the 4th fuel pump. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. Post a comment, we're gonna paint the valve cover next, so just tell us what color you think we should do it.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.